Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Dr. Lichumo Timore, Interventional Cardiologist, MBBS, MD Medicine, DM Cardiology, is available for consultation from 1st March 2025 in Woodland, Shillong.
Commissioner and Secretary Jangkatran District Council Affairs Kasorka Jilla. Uba serial reading do ula pentip ba an sapelong biang ya kajinga Thep vote haka arpo artrik rumpang aja pusan hagi Southly ki polling station kata Arteli ki polling station kabahap hapo Musniang Rangad District Council constituency but Arteli ki polling station ki bahap hapo ka Bataw Lakadong District Council constituency ki beran ha East Jaintia Hills district. Haka jinga kren begla pathai kubor uniu he officer jangatan DCA ulayathu ba deputy commissioner but superintendent of police jangka East Jaintia Hills district kila shaun jinga langker ke ban pen khalanya ki bor pulin kajing pelong ya kajing Thep vote haka sin ka baar kalong nomor ba haka arpoitrik ruphang arja pusan kirunar ki bamla satyaban ithu durkhmat kila rungjubor hapo kini ki Southly ki polling station but kila pen prana phang ye ki EVM but ikitiar kitar penya election.
So in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, in all the districts, there was no report of any incidents of violence or any issues. The poll was conducted peacefully in all the Khasi Hills districts. And the polling percentage as of 3 p.m, because we are compiling the polling percentage which will be shared with the press a little later at night. So as of 3 p.m. for KHADC, the polling percentage is 60%. In Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, there were some issues, particularly in East Jaintia Hills District. So we got reports from the DC and the RO that in 2 constituencies, in 4 polling stations, that is in 22 Musniang Rangad DCC constituency in East Jaintia Hills District, in 2 polling stations, namely 7 Wapung Skur male and 8 Wapung Skur female, there was report that an unidentified mob entered the polling station and damaged both the EVMs in these 2 polling stations. So as a result, the report has been received, we have examined, and under the rules, we have ordered for a repoll. The repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m, it will conclude at 4 p.m. So the order is already out from the District Council Affairs Department that a repoll has been ordered for these 2 polling stations under 22 Musniang Rangad District Council constituency in East Jaintia Hills District. Another report was received a while ago from again East Jaintia Hills District, this constituency called 29 Bataw Lakadong constituency, under which again an unidentified group of persons entered the polling station and damaged the EVM. This is at 2 polling stations, 7 Bataw A, which is a male polling station, and 8 Bataw B, which is a female polling station. Here also a report was received that because of the EVM damage, the District Council Affairs Department has ordered a repoll under the rules. So for this also, there will be repoll which will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. So to summarize, in Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, as per reports received till date, 4 polling stations, 2 under 22 Musniang Rangad District Council constituency and 2 polling stations under 29 Bataw Lakadong District Council constituency will go for repoll tomorrow. This has happened. Now the report has been received. What is the exact reason, what has led this mob to come and do the violence? That, of course, we will need further inquiry and further reports. As of now, because of the damage to EVM, the rules allow us to have a repoll. There's a specific rule 143B. So if there's a violence and there's damage to EVM, we have ordered repoll in the interest of free and fair elections, and the repoll will happen tomorrow.
Why is the security personnel they cannot do anything?
See, the security personnel are present, but this was, a group of a mob, right? So, the mob has overwhelmed them. And in fact, the polling parties also were rushed to the nearest medical center because they also got afraid, etc. So the district administration is taking due care. There's no report of any injury to anyone. All people are safe, except that the EVM has been damaged. On account of the EVM being damaged, we have ordered a repoll in the interest of free and fair elections.
What about the preparation for tomorrow on security versus like?
So yes, the DC and the SP have reviewed the preparation. Since these are the only 4 polling stations, the security obviously will be enhanced. The steps have already been taken. They are being taken by the district administration, the deputy commissioner and the SP concerned. So additional forces will be deployed, additional magistrates will be deployed, and the DC will take all necessary steps to ensure that adequate security personnel and a new polling party is sent to these 4 polling stations so that the confidence is built up. And the appeal from the department is obviously that people should be aware that this repoll is happening and everyone should come out and vote.